In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom out on Wix Studio. If you want a broader view of your workspace while editing, zooming out in Wix Studio is a quick and useful adjustment. It can help you see more of your page layout at once, which is especially helpful when you're working on spacing, alignment, or just trying to get a better overall sense of the design. To begin, open your site in the Wix Studio editor. Make sure you are inside the main editing workspace where you can view and adjust your page design. Once your site is open, look toward the top center of your screen. In that area, you will find the current zoom percentage, which is usually set to 100% by default. This zoom indicator appears right next to the breakpoint icons, so if you are not seeing it immediately, that's the area to focus on. After you locate the zoom percentage, click the minus icon next to it. This is the control used to zoom out and lower the current zoom value. Each time you click the minus button, the zoom level decreases by 10%. So for example, if you start at 100%, one click will bring you to 90%, and another click will take you to 80%. As you continue clicking, you will notice that your workspace becomes more zoomed out, allowing you to see a larger portion of your design on the screen. This can make it much easier to navigate larger sections of the page without needing to scroll as much. It's a simple feature, but it can really improve your editing experience when you need a wider visual perspective. If the page starts to feel too small after zooming out, just keep in mind that this setting is mainly for your editing view. It helps you manage the workspace more comfortably while designing. A good tip is to zoom out when reviewing structure and layout. Then return to a closer zoom level when making precise edits. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.